Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be preparing the pumpkin leaf sauce, popularly known as the ugu leaf in some part of the country. Please don't forget to like this video and click on the subscribe button. First up, I heat my groundnut oil. You put this according to how much groundnut oil you like. There's no exact measurement for it. Then when it's hot, I put in my onions, my sliced onions. We fry it a bit. We don't want to make it brown. We just want to fry it to give the groundnut oil a taste. Then we add our diced beef. We're not making fried meat, so we just fry this a bit. We don't get it crispy. Next, we put in our tomatoes and pepper, and blended tomatoes and pepper. As you can see, I didn't blend it smoothly, blended it roughly because I'm not making stew, so I still want to see bits of tomatoes and pepper sticking out, not smooth like stew. And then you stir, you fry for a while. Then we add in our curry. Some people don't put curry, but I put curry because, well, I like curry and because it's tomatoes, gives it taste. Put our seasoning cubes and salt and stir. We're not going to fry this for long because we're not making stew. Just want to fry it a bit, not dry. Then we add our crayfish and our dried fish and leave it on fire for a while. Just like count to like 30. I count to 30 when I'm in this stage. Next, we add our pumpkin leaf or ugu leaf as some call it. At this point, we don't even want to leave it on fire for long. At this stage, I also count to 10 or 15 and bring it down because I've already boiled the ugu leaf previously, which I'll show you how to do in the description box below. So guys, there you have it, your pumpkin leaf sauce, which can be eaten with boiled rice or boiled yam. I decided to have mine with boiled rice. So we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.